So today we're taking a look at this garden parasol. It's been sent to me by Yaheetech, so a big thank you to them for sending me it. I needed one for the garden, believe it or not. In England we do get occasional spells of sunshine, so I thought I'd put this together and show you what you get, how easy it is to assemble, and what it looks like, the final product, and then we'll put it up and we'll put it down and show you how easy it is to do that. So for assembly, there is literally only 4 parts. You get this main beam there, you get the legs there, and you get the actual parasol and a bag of screws. Now it is worth noting, I'll show you at the end, but you do not get the concrete base to hold this down in place. This is the parasol, this is the legs, but you do not get the weights to actually hold this down, so you do need to buy them separately. It does come with instructions. Honestly, you probably even don't need these, they're super simple, but there is a little QR code there. If you get stuck, you can scan it and you can get some instructions. All you need to do is put the base together by putting these 3 sections here, just like that, slots in on top of each other, and then put this actual pull on top, and then it just leaves you 4 bolts. So make sure you put the washers on the bolts, and then put them in, hand tighten them first. I found that's the easiest way to do it. Put all 4 of these bolts in, like I say, make sure they've all got the washers on them, and then once they're all tightened, finger tight, you can then use the cheap but effective, it works, little spanner that comes with it, and just tighten these. Again, don't over tighten them, but it does need to be solid, so take your time, get this little part right. This is the next bit, which is probably the trickiest bit of the whole operation. It's putting the parasol into the slot at the top. There's these little press buttons here, like little clip, I don't know what they call them, but they need to pop into the top section to hold the parasol into that actual pull. And then we're going to position it, put it into place, slot the main parasol into the base, and then use these 2 threads to actually hold the parasol in place. Now it is important that you put both of these in. I've seen parasols with just one and the wind can blow the parasol straight out of this base. So make sure both are in. Again, get them tight enough, put it into position, and you're ready to actually install it. Look, super simple, just to lift it up, clamp it down and unwind it. It's as simple as that. It's a 3-meter wide parasol. You can move it around. It is quite flexible where you position this. And let me just show you again the base. You can see there I've had to put some weights on it. It was a windy day today and it would have definitely blown away if I didn't put these weights on it. So make sure you get an actual proper parasol base. And to put it down, you can see, super simple. Pull that little handle, pull it down and just lock it in place, and then just tie the parasol with the string that's on it. Brilliant.